Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this portable power station. This thing is massive, 62,000 milliamp per hours. The nice thing is also has this detachable lantern up here that you can go ahead and also hang out. So if you're like in a campground or something like that, you want some extra light, you got this right here. Simply hold down this button right there and you'll get this SOS signal. You can simply press it once for this first brightness, press it again for the brighter, and then it's also got the spotlight, kind of used like a flashlight. Go ahead and stick that on there and it basically charges up here thanks to these metal contacts, and it's all magnetic. You can also use it while it's right here. Carry it around with the handle. But the thing I really love about this is that it's got 2 USB-C and 2 USB ports. You can really charge up anything that you may have. You can charge up your laptops, you can charge up your drones, you can charge up your phones, anything that you're bringing with you. It's got 2 of these DC converters, so you can switch it from 9 volts to 12 volts if you're charging those kinds of components. It also comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable to go ahead and charge this thing up. You can plug it into either one of these input ports right here. Let's go ahead and show you what this looks like charging up a couple devices. So as you can see, I got the USB plugged in. The phone is charging. I'm also plugging in the USB-C right here, and this power bank is charging. And you can see the values of the watts that are being used on the display. You can also see how much charge the entire power station has remaining, and you can see how much time you basically have left to charge up your components using this power station. Overall, I highly recommend it. This power station is just great for camping. It's great for bringing with you on trips. It's just great for having at home in case of power outages. Thanks for watching.